All right, what we have here is a 2014? 15 Buick Encore. We have an issue with, we have an issue with the injector coil fuse blowing. Here you can see our ignition coil / injector coil fuse, the 15-amp fuse that keeps blowing. We're going to select this circuit and see what all components is powered by this fuse. You can see it's only the coil pack and the four fuel injectors. So we're going to unplug each one of these components individually, starting with the coil pack, and see if the fuse continues to blow or not. This will be a pretty simple test. So with the key on, now it does have an tox lock unit in it, but all that does is bypass the ignition for the starter wire itself. So let's see, we should have power on this side, which we do, and power on that side. Okay. So during key on, it does not blow. Brian, come here real quick. Go ahead and crank this. So it is number 23. Yeah, that's the right one. Do it again. All right, as you can see, it's not blowing. All right, shut it off. Key off. Let's plug this back in. Go ahead and start it. All right. All right, as you can see, that fuse blew. Fuse blew. So we're gonna throw another one in, do another test, see how long it takes, and you'll see it blow. Are you going to crank it? See it blow? All right, shut off. That blew immediately as soon as you start cranking. Let's throw another one in there. Good thing I got a bunch of these, and I'm just doing this for just a quick test because this is. Let's unplug the coil again. Go ahead and crank it. As you can see, it did not blow. Test both sides of it. We're good there. And good there. All right, shut off. So right off the bat, that tells me the issue. We know the issue is with the coil. But that doesn't mean the issue is the coil. Because if something happened to one of the springs, and you can see it's a new one, that's just a Duralast coil. So somebody replaced this coil. So these things are known to melt. I've had a bunch of these. This ones look fine. Actually, this is all clean. The problem could be good. All right, so we're just gonna do this, which is gonna be, nope, look at that, it already blew. This fuse already blew, I heard it. So the coil pack's definitely bad. Look. Power? Nothing. Now this takes a low profile 15-amp mini fuse, but I just put a regular one in just for testing purposes. And you can see it definitely blew the fuse. Check on this side. It definitely blew the fuse. So, coil pack's definitely bad. So, that's as far as we're going right now. We're gonna Put a coil pack in it. Call the customer, let them know, put a coil pack in it, and that's that. New coil in, and she starts right up. All good. Cover on. Come on.